Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm recreating this look for you guys. It's a Jamaican flag inspired makeup look. I haven't uploaded a makeup video in a while, so I figured why not. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm taking this yellow shade from my Juvia's Zulu palette, and I'm just going to blend that in my upper crease as my transition color. Moving on to my Morphe 12P palette, I'm taking that green shade and I'm just going to blend that just below the yellow shade. I'm only focusing on my eyes in this video. I did my face off camera. If you've seen any of my other makeup video, my foundation routine pretty much stays the same. So yeah. As you can see, I'm starting to lose that yellow, so I'm going back into the Zulu palette and then I'm just going to blend out the edges of the green. And then I'm going back into the 12P palette and I'm taking that darker green shade and I'm blending it just below that first green shade that I laid down. So I'm just going to do a back and forth motion between both colors, and then I'm going to add this black, also from a 12P palette. And don't worry too much about the black being so low on the lid. It's just on the outer corners that we want that black to show. So we're just gonna blend until it's time to cut the crease. Of course, I had to make a mess. Now I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. This is also the concealer that I use to prime my lids. And you wanna make sure you have a nice flat stiff brush to give you the perfect cut crease. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. This takes a lot of focus, so it took me a while. After that, I'm going to go back into the 12P palette with that yellow color just to set the concealer. Okay, now over the top of that yellow, I'm going to go in with another yellow from my Nika K New York Perfect 32 Colors palette. After that, I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm going to blend the yellow and the black colors together until both colors look like they're married. So yeah, this takes a lot of patience and a lot of blending, so be very patient with this part. Next, I'm going to take my NYX matte black liner and I'm going to line my eyes, pop on some lashes, and then I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line using the dark green shade that I previously used in my crease and some black liner. This is the finished product. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.